Hello viewers, I hope you all guys are doing well. Our topic is how to back up a smartphone and a tablet. Most smartphone and the tablet owned by the apps contains email, pictures, videos and the other data they would prefer to not lose it. A smartphone or the tablet is lost or the damage being able to restore the apps contain pictures and the personal data or to the new device would be the helpful. They store everything to a new device. It first need to the backup. Selecting a link below for your type of the smartphone or the tablet that follow the setup of the backup it. Android smartphone or the tablets. Automatic backup. First, using the Google signing functionality of the Android service, you can sign or the backup the email account container and the cylinder of your device with your Google account online. When you sign in your Google account on your device, Android device, it automatically sign or the device with your Google account. Second, you can enable automatic backup and the sign on your Google account setting and the data online trying to your Google account to enable to backup and the sign process following these steps. First, assess the Android device setting screen. On the setting screen, tap the backup and the set option. Check or the enable the backup my data and the automatic restore option. Third, enable is back to the process of the photo taken and the store on your Android device. Follow these steps to the enable photo backup. First, open the Photos apps or the Android device. Tap the humber icon and the select setting option. On the settings screen, tap the backup and the sign option. Tap the toggle switch for the backup and the sign option to the enable it. Select the pictures quality you want to photos backup as selected whether to use mobile data for the automatic backup or not. Manual backup. If you prefer, you can manually backup the photos and the videos on your Android device. Follow the steps below to add manual backup. Connect to the Android device to your computer. Open the File Explorer in the Windows or the Finder in macOS. Find the list of the device or the storage devices connected to your computer. Tip: if you do not see the Android device, disconnect the device of your computer and other in the disconnected term on the Android device screen and unlock it. Then connect it to the device to your computer again. If you are prompt on the Android device screen asking if you want to trust the computer it's connected to, tap allow or the yes. The computer can also want to what do you want with the connected Android devices. Selected the option for the view files on the devices. Fourth, clicking the double flap the Android device in the list of the driver devices display. Fifth, navigate through the folders instead of the Android device. The folder you are looking for the should or the name digital camera images. This is the folder containing all the photo and the video files on the Android devices. 6, selected and the copy the photo and the videos you want to back up to the folder to your computer. Apple iPad or the phone. Backup using iCloud. iPad and the iPhone can utilize the iPad to the backup to the apps to their devices and they connect email, calendars and notes and other data. Follow the steps below to the enable iCloud backup. Access to the iPad and the iPhone setting. To the top of the settings screen, tap the option that show you name and the mention iCloud under the name. Tap the iCloud option on the next screen on the iCloud, then tap the toggle which next to the each option that you want to backup to the iCloud. When enable the toggle switch with the turn with green, scroll down to the find the iCloud backup option and tap it. On the backup screen, tap the toggle switch for the iCloud backup, enable it. The toggle switch turn green when enabled. 7, an automatic backup occurs when your device is plugged into the power outlet. Screen is logged and connected to the Wi-Fi. To initiate backup, manually tap the backup now caption to the backup screen. Note: enable the iPad or the iPhone iCloud backup option. Disable the automatically process between your device and the iTunes when your mobile is connected to the computer. Backup using iTunes. Using a computer, iPad and the iPhone can be signed iTunes and the backup or the apps contained on the emails, calendar, notes and the other data. Follow the steps below to the back your device using iTunes connected to your iPhone and the iPad computer. Open the iTunes application to your phone. On the other side of the iTunes connection, find the iPad and the iTunes or the device list, right click for your device name and select backup in the top up menu. If the cloud backup process is disabled your iPad and the iPhone, then iTunes application automatically sign and the software of your device and they connected to the computer.